Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the Field Trucks for Snapshot 74. Let's get right into it. Inside Blue Crest Station is me, of course, Aaron Outlaw, Mushroom Fan 0301, Aftershock, Dragon Cake, Minecraft, and Lego, Gold Dragonoid, Allison Dominguez, Maxi, Fire, Andrea Smith, Inverse Dalmatian, Alex the Cool, Red Bear, Ice Dragon, Mushroom Dallas, Overcast Dragon is Red Crash Speedway, Mushroom, Rolando Armandares and Bad News, Time Flies, Antonio Rodriguez III, Fire Grader, Mushroom Fan 2017, Overcast, Ultra Loco, Cassandra, Fire Horsepower, Eddie Rig, Slinger, Mushroom Fan 44, Green Ghost Grave Digger is Addison Taylor, Storm Damage, Frank Tripler, Earthshaker, Maddox the Goat, Nomad Avenger, Antonon God, Bounty Hunter, Aiden Tackett, Ice, Northern Nightmare, Mushroom Fan 5000, Brodozer Grave Digger, Red Pickup Gravedigger is Mushroom Collector Racing. Ice Gravedigger is Eduardo Dominguez. I don't believe he's in there twice, right? No, that was a different Dominguez. Avenger S10, Mac Bullock, Mac Rock, Rescue, Mega Mushroom 97A, Roger Dodger, Red Crush Speedway, Gravedigger 3, Mushroom Fanatic, Education, Hot Wheels Boy, Gold 5 Alarm, Mini Mellow, Train Trucks, Ultra Locos, Mario Minecraft, Ice Dragonoid, Mushroom General, and Grandma Grader, Mushroom Planet. Thank you guys for watching this video. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe. The event will be out tomorrow, I believe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.